Hi guys, welcome back to Style with Substance and welcome to today's video, which as the title and thumbnail probably drew you in on, is a swimwear haul. So I headed on over to ASOS earlier this week and just picked out a few different colours and different styles of swimwear for all sorts of, I guess, preferences. So whether you like to show off your midriff and your abs, or you like to keep it all tucked away and just focus on legs, or you like bright colours and bold colours or prints, there's definitely something in here for you. So 1, make sure you're subscribed, and 2, click the notification bell so that you are notified whenever I upload a new video, just in case it doesn't go into your sub boxes, and 3, just keep watching. So I'm opening this package for the first time with you guys, so it's all very special. Okay, I will obviously link everything in the description box below. But yeah, let me get into the first item, which I see right here. Is this it? Oh, this is kind of big. So yeah, so this is a bikini, and I'm going to do try-ons for all of these, just so you guys can see what they look like on a human body. So this comes as 2 matching separates. So it is a green, it's called a frill detail bikini top, and it's just really cute. I just love the sleeves, the ruffles on there, and I do love the V for my neckline. That works quite well. And then at the back it's got some nice tie straps there, really nice detail there. But this is just really cute if you kind of want to do tame, you know, beach vibes. This would just work quite well on a really summery holiday in Spain or something like that. So that's lovely. And it comes with matching bottoms, which also have the frills kind of mirrored on the bottoms there. So just looks like that. And yeah, you'll see once I've tried it on. But I got the bottoms in a UK 10 and I got the top in a 6 because I'm smaller up top and bigger down the bottom. One is this gorgeous mustard yellow colour, and I love this on brown skin, so I thought I've got to get this. And it's also really cute because it's kind of like a high neck, so I feel like it's a really nice classy way of doing beach wear, but you still get the fun with this sort of bold colour. So gorgeous neckline. I guess it's, I don't know how high the legs are, but I'll let you know once I've tried it on. And then it just looks like that at the back, sort of very open back, you know, all about the straps, all about the sort of neckline. So really like that, and I've got that in a size small. This, I want to say pink veneer red in a UK size 10. So these are the bottoms. I always get the bigger bottoms, and oh, this one is a bit like the green one actually. I say a bit like a little bit like the green one, kind of more ruffled. So that's what the bottoms look like. I love anything with frills on the sides, just because my hips are kind of narrow, so I tend to like stuff that, you know, draws a bit more attention there, draws the eye there, and creates the illusion of, you know, more of that womanly shape. So got that, and the matching top, which looks like this, if I can sort it out. So very, very cutesy. I feel like if the senorita emoji was to wear a bikini, it would probably look something like this. So really cute. Again, nice frills just below the bust area. Again, got that deep V and quite thick straps actually, which is nice to see. It's quite refreshing. And then the back just looks like that. But you will see that on, and you know, I'll try and give you some angles to work with. I love the colour of this. Love, love, love. It says Motel. This is Motel Rocks, I wonder. I'm not sure, but I'll let you guys know. But it's this lovely, lovely purple colour. Oh, I die for things like this. This with like black hair, tan skin or brown skin, or any kind of skin, to be honest. This colour I feel like complements anybody. Just looks like that, very low back. Got all these really, really, it's kind of like quite sexy on the sides with the like ties, you know, you show a bit of skin, but you know, you've covered up the whole sort of the torso area. So yeah, you know, it's a good compromise, and I love, love, love this colour. So I hope it fits as well. And I've got that in size small. I'm lost in the night. Rekindle my light. Some more separates, and these have a really, really chic print. Do like a chic print here. So the top looks like this. It's very sexy. I love this. I've got so much time for this. Let's try and figure out how it goes on. Okay, so that's the strap for the back, and then that's what the front looks like. It's kind of got this like scooped out detail here. Oh yes, yes, we love this. And I got the top in a size 8. This is by a brand called Jaded London, for those who are asking, but again, everything will be linked below. You won't see these on my Instagram because I don't tend to pose in swimwear unless I'm on holiday. Just a bit much for my timeline. And then the pants, the bottoms are like high-waisted, so it's very fashion forward. Oh, so fashion forward. I've got the bottoms in a size 10 and they just look like that. So curious to see what that looks like on. Then this black one, separate. This one's from Boohoo actually. Oh, it's velvet. I didn't know. Okay, so got the bottoms in a size 10. It's kind of like this, kind of like corduroy style. I did not know that. All right, okay, we can work with this. So those are the bottoms, and then the top. Now I'm really intrigued to see the bottoms look like that. Okay, the top's just a bit more normal. Or is it? Wait, no, I've got it the wrong way. Okay, yeah, so the top looks like that. I think that would look really good on, actually. That's very good for, like, if you're doing, like, beach parties and it's going to go into the night. I feel like this kind of has that nighttime beach party vibe. So I really like that. Yeah. Yeah, sexy. But by no means least, you see the colour. It's I mean, it's a bikini haul, it's summertime, like let's just go all out and bring the summertime vibes. So this is a duplicate of the black one that I have, but in this neon yellow colour. So like, if you don't want your friends to lose you, this is the one you wear. They'll see you coming a mile off. So yeah, it is. Is this ASOS own brand? I think it is. Yeah, this is ASOS own brand, and I got this in a size UK 10, and they call it Amaryllis Yellow. I mean, with a name like that, you have to just be bright. So yeah, really like that one. Well, I know I like the style because I've got it. That's all the bikinis, all the swimsuits. I hope you've enjoyed that. I hope it gives you some inspiration for your summer wardrobe if you're going away this summer. Lucky you. I have another video going up today, which is going to be a bit more of a chilled out vibe. It's going to be a what's in my bag, because I recently bought a new bag and I don't think I've done what's in my bag with this one, so I'll do that just so you guys can see what I carry with me to work. But otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Thank you to all my new subscribers. I hope you guys are enjoying the content, and yeah, hopefully there's definitely something to keep you guys sticking around. So I'm not going to waffle on too much more. I wish you a fantastic week, and I will see you guys in the next video, and then after that I'll see you on Wednesday's video, which is all about property investment, so stay tuned.